highly desirable townhome in Williamsburg community. The interior kitchen and baths have been updated with new kitchen cabinets and granite counters. Flooring new throughout. New AC, replumbed, new electrical service. Gas heat and heater. Washer and dryer provided. Turnkey ready. Outside maintenance provided by HOA. Owner is responsible for building maintenance. Great location and easy access to the 528 highway. Shopping and theme parks nearby. Garage has been converted to a bonus room. Great for playroom or office. Home has recently appraised above list price.